Okay, so here we are. It's kind of an airsoft thing. So I've been trying to defend myself with different kinds of platforms. This right here is a airsoft gun. This is the previous airsoft gun I did. I didn't do anything on it. Figured I'd just talk about it before I jumped into this other one. So we've got ourselves some stainless steel 6mm. Man, those are beautiful. So I got this gun on eBay. It was on sale before Christmas. I don't know what you can get them for now, whatever. It's a standard BB gun. Here is the 6mm. Goes right in the top of here. Okay, we can pull this down. Right. Looks like I'm holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I really do have 15 rounds. This is a Smith & Wesson Springfield MA USA MMP40. This is just an airsoft gun. Shoots the 6mm airsoft. Now what I've done to this gun is this. I'm taking this magazine apart through the back. I've just used I need to get like a spanner or whatever that you call them. But I take 2 of these and I put a rubber band on them. It's just a regular wood screw, 1.5 inches. And I use them to move this out. Because you got these 2 little ends right here. Now behind this, basically 6mm BB. Here, let's take a couple of them out so I can see. And I can show you. I've enlarged the hole 3 or 4 times the hole that was there before. Now in the back, it comes out into 2 holes beyond that part, and I've only kind of reamed it out a little bit. I never really, and it'd be nice if I could have 4 holes. Lost the BB. I'm about to have 14 shots. I'm going to have to find that BB. We'll find it later. Okay. Anyway, because in here is the chamber from this 12-gram CO2 that pushes this 6mm round out the front. Now I found this particular airsoft gun on eBay. I don't have a lot of experience with it, but here it is. There's no blowback action at all, so that means none of that's wasted on this is movement right here. It's just pushing it out the barrel. So we're going to get some numbers later on, whatever that is. Excuse me, and once I can have that BB gun, I'll find it. Anyway, another thing I like about this platform is you can put it in there and not activate it. The problem with it is you're going to have an Allen wrench to activate it. So I haven't been. Nice BB gun holster. I really wasn't talking about this gun. Just going to try it out. Maybe it's a flop. Maybe it sucks. Maybe it's not good. But it is easy to drill out that. And if I had a drill press, I would have taken that piece and drilled out more holes and just a teeny bit bigger on each hole. But I did drill out the main hole that goes in. So this will get some more feet per second. Obviously it's going to slow down because we've moved over to Steelies instead of plastic, but we'll see. Anyway, so the new one I got on eBay, and this ought to be interesting. I'm going to have to do this a couple times to figure out what I'm actually going to do with this platform, but I'm really curious to see what's inside here. I had the some other guns that are kind of shaped like this, and they really didn't have a very good system back here, and you kind of beat that up, and it would really change the system. So we need to take it apart, figure out what's going on. But for right now, this is kind of just the tabletop. This is a Umarex 6mm Airsoft. It says that it's 400 feet per second, CO2 powered. Okay, so I'm really not planning on putting plastic stuff in this. I want to get enough power to shoot these BBs enough to where I can defend myself. But I'm not sure it's going to happen. But the other thing is this is also kind of getting to a compact size. Now, when I look at, like, say, the Berna, you can tell, like, the Berna is longer, but this will deliver, a round hard enough to make somebody start questioning coming after you, but maybe not completely. Anyway, I want to see if I can beat this up so I can really start these things cooking down the barrel, but we'll check it out. But let's just see what we got. It's Umarex. It's called the Enforcer. Serrated Stanley. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nope, let's get it all in there. See if we can free this thing yet. I think we can. Alright. Washing dishes. Okay, there's a little bit of heft. Oof. So this thing uses a magazine. Not my favorite system inside of BB guns. I like it when the magazine is included inside of the system somehow, but this is a non-blowback, so this thing isn't going to move. It is smaller compared to a Berna. The Berna has got some beef to it. This thing will deliver a ouch. This thing, I'm not sure, but we're still taking a look at it. Here we go. Okay, it looks like we got an ejection. We've also got safety. Got fire, safety, and it makes the trigger do nothing. Fire. We've got fire. Okay. Anyway, oh, this is nice. One nice feature. Okay, this comes up. Means that we can put a 12-gram CO2 in here without engaging it. So it can sit there dormant until we're ready. Then we can flip this down, tighten it down. It's going to make some noise. Excuse my sound language. It's going to be there. Alright, how many rounds does it hold? It says 15. So the Umarex Combat Zone 15 holds. 15 rounds. We shall see. The spring is something like fierce. I don't even know what to say about that. Looks like you gotta go down below this round hole area. It's locked in place. Okay. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Can it get more? No, because it's right at the end. Okay. Okay, now I'm pushing on it. Alright. It's kind of staggering them in a zigzag to get that many. Which is fun. It's fun. Now with 400 feet per second on the plastic, we're not going to get that on a ceiling. So that means we've got to take this apart, figure out what makes it go bang. I really like the size. This size really feels good. I'm really not sure. I mean, the barrel doesn't go out that far. It goes out to the edge right here. So we might be able to take all this off. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. Looks like it's got some good paint here for sight. There's nothing back here. So I'd like to dab some ink white right there so I can see what's going on. The fake ejection port. All in all, it's a nice size. It engages one round at a time. Okay, well, there you have it. I'm trying to get it in there. That's weird. Why is it so hard to get it back moving? Okay, there it is. So I guess you have to mess with this a little bit. So it really has the spring really bent down, so I don't know. Here we go. At least we've moved over to Sealy's now. It's kind of heavy now. Let's have Sealy's in it. But here we go. So it's moving the entire action every single time you cycle it, which is consistent with a regular UV gun. Enforcer. Well, we'll get into this thing and see what it will enforce. Got to figure out what's going on here, so I'm going to take it apart, figure it out, put it in a video. My cat's up there attacking my stuff. Thanks for watching.